The Starlink Gen 3 power adapter is specifically designed for the Starlink Gen 3 system, ensuring seamless compatibility and efficient power conversion. This power adapter is perfect for outdoor settings such as recreational vehicles and camping, where it provides an efficient energy-saving solution by minimizing power loss. Equipped with multiple protective features, the adapter ensures the safety of your devices with overvoltage and short-circuit protection, offering peace of mind during use. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, with a compact design and standardized interfaces that make it easy for anyone to set up without needing technical expertise. The dedication to quality is evident with a reliable after-sales service and professional customer support, ensuring any queries are resolved promptly and satisfactorily. Overall, the Starlink Gen 3 power adapter is an excellent choice for those needing a robust and dependable power solution for their Starlink Gen 3 system.